Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So if you bought a new device or laptop or a PC and you want to install a Google Chrome, then how you can download this video is absolutely for you. So you guys have to simply go to the Edge browser, which is by default browser on any of the Windows, or you guys can simply search here for Edge. So here it is. I am just directly clicking on it by just tapping on that. So after tapping on that, here you guys have to simply click on this above address bar and search for Google. After tapping on Google, here you guys have to simply select the first website, which is google.com. Or you guys can simply tap on the address bar to search for google.com and search the google.com. So after opening up Google, here you guys have to simply search for Google Chrome. So after searching for Google Chrome, here you guys have to simply select the first website, and the first website you guys have to simply select the first tab. So in the first tab, you guys have to simply select the first option, which is download Chrome, and you guys have to simply tap on it. So after tapping on it, your setup will be installed. You guys have to simply just tap on start download to start the download, and it will automatically download the setup of Google Chrome. Now you guys have to simply open up the setup and you guys have to simply follow the on-screen instructions. So after following the on-screen instruction, your Google Chrome will be installed on your laptop or PC. I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.